Alto-based Tesla Motors just turned in quarterly numbers, and it actually turned in a surprise profit where analysts were looking for a loss. With me right now is tech editor Chris Ciaccia to break it all down. Chris, a surprise profit.
Absolutely. The company reported a profit of 20 cents a share, and us were looking for a loss of 17 cents. Well, those two numbers don't really match up because Tesla's now excluding lease accounting. Tesla still managed to beat estimates when you include lease accounting, reporting a profit of 5 cents a share.
And what's important to point out is that they do expect to be profitable for the rest of the year as well.
Yeah, that was actually a little bit of a surprise to analysts and Wall Street media alike, because people were expecting that the company wouldn't be profitable in Q3 and Q4. Tesla's now saying it will be, which is really the reason why you're seeing stock up 15% in pre-market trading right now.
I want to talk about the CEO. Elon Musk has been lauded for being very forward-thinking, especially with his battery charging stations, and he's got ambitious plans by the year 2015.
Yeah, I mean, Musk has an engineering background. This is a man who started PayPal, co-founded Tesla. He's a CEO of SpaceX, so he's clearly an ambitious guy. With the supercharger network that Tesla's building that'll come out through this year and into 2015, it actually takes away range anxiety, which is something that people have been a little bit worried about with as it comes to electric cars. Maybe people have put off purchasing it because they couldn't charge the cars. With the supercharger network that Tesla is paying for, it's as to no cost to the customer, Tesla's actually relieved some of that range anxiety, and I would expect to see Model S sales increase in 2013 and 2014 as a result.
So when we say range anxiety, it means just basically the length of time or the distance that you can go with one charge only.
Correct.
And so the ambitious plans are also to get you in and out of a charging station in minutes for only $50.
Yeah, as a part of the supercharger network, you can charge a car for free, but that takes about 20 minutes. If you want to get out of the car in 90 seconds or less, you can actually swap out the battery, which Tesla has stocked batteries at the supercharger networks. You could pay $50 or $60 for the supercharger, for the battery to be replaced, which is about less than it takes to refill a tank of gas. Okay,
so let's talk about the stock, and we're going to put up a chart here. The stock is up 300% year to date, correct?
Yeah, I mean, Tesla's had an incredible run since the start of the year. It's led by Musk himself, who's been incredibly candid on social media using Twitter to promote Tesla. The company's fundamentals are actually supporting the hype that Wall Street is putting on it. Fundamentals are increasingly getting better. The stock we're seeing a tremendous run, and I would expect profit taking to start to occur a little bit as the stock hits nosebleed stratosphere levels. But I mean, I've been wrong before on Tesla shares, and there's a very good chance I could be wrong right now again.
Let's talk about Tesla in the scope of the entire car market, not just electric cars, which have struggled to gain market share.
Yeah, electric cars in the beginning, people didn't see them as a viable alternative to internal combustion because of range anxiety, which Tesla has now alleviated. On the conference call last night, Musk said that Tesla's not only taking market share away from premium sedans, Audi, BMW, Mercedes, and the like, but customers are also coming from hybrids and other smaller cars. He said customers are coming from the Toyota Prius, Highlander, the Honda Civic, as well as BMW and other manufacturers. So that was a little bit of a surprise.
So some of the cars that we have looked at for years and years as being fuel efficient. That's tech editor Chris Ciaccia for TheStreet.com in New York. I'm Joya Das.